Greatest integer function gives you the greatest integer less than or equal to x for any x real number, which means the output produced by this function will always be an integer. Understand, if x itself is an integer, then its GIF is the same integer. But if x is not an integer, you just have to check the two consecutive integers between which x is sitting, and the one on the immediate left will be its GIF. For example, the GIF of 3.1 will be 3, but that of 2.999 will be 2. GIF of 4.7 is 4. Of minus 7.2 will be minus 8. GIF of 0.75 will be 0, but GIF of 4 will be 4. On generalizing, we get that if x is 0 or anywhere sitting strictly between 0 and 1, its GIF will be 0. If x is 1 or anywhere sitting strictly between 1 and 2, its GIF will be 1, and so on and so forth. When you use this definition to plot the graph, it comes out to be this beautiful staircase, because of which we even call this function to be a step function. As you can clearly see, its domain is set of all reals and range is set of all integers. Also, this function is discontinuous at every integral point because there's a jump discontinuity of 1 unit.